Take a deep breath and release your breath into the crystal. Now, focus the crystal on your opposite hand until you can feel the field, and just hold it there. Move your other hand back and forth to identify the locale of the field. Now, move it up and down. And just practice. This is one of the primary practicing tools. Draw your breath in and feel the effect, and let your breath out. See if there's a change in intensity between breath in and breath out. Close your eyes. Take another deep breath and visualize the field between your hand and the crystal.